Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the time to the screen timeout at the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. For that, we will need the settings first, so just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings, and then we need to go to the point display. And if you scroll down a bit, we will find the point screen timeout. Here it is. Yeah, I will recommend to you to set it up at maximum 2 minutes. If you need it longer, then I would recommend to you to enable the last point here, because the camera can detect your face, and then the screen timeout will be a bit later while you're reading something, because your eyes are on the screen. So if you want to increase it, really the screen timeout with taking care on the environment and so on, because it's taking a lot of energy, then yeah, enable this point here. Okay. That's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, I have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.